guys, this is your number one fire alarm enthusiast. You may be wondering, why do you guys see two MK1 chopper cores? That is why I am demonstrating them today. This is the one that I use in my new Mini Greendale, and this is a new one that I made today. And there are some slight changes. This one has 3 colors, this one's just 2. I made a little date code tag. Focus camera. I hate this. Focus! My gosh. Oh, no. No, focus. It says Model 130 Pulse Coded Yelp. Made in November 10th, 2025. That's today. So, let's test the new one. Note that these are 4-port. This one's also 4-port, but it's lower pitched. But this one's higher pitched for whatever reason. Don't know why. Oh. Okay, that is not good. I did not like that noise. It sometimes does that when I'm doing the Yelp mode. I'm gonna do Yelp, and hopefully it doesn't do that. Alright, that's enough for this one. I don't want to deal with its crashing problems. After all, this one's new, so we're gonna put that off to the side and test the one that I used for my new Mini Greendale, as seen in my latest video right now. But right now I'm recording, and I'm gonna post this one in a bit when I finish. But I gotta edit it and do it. Whoa, that's not supposed to happen. It's usually smooth. There we go. Oh shoot, I have the motor polarity reversed. That's not good, I think. There we go. Now that's better. This one can also do Yelp. Both of these are coded. Oh. So yeah, Mini Greendale now has a brother, and the way I use these to figure out when they were born. Well, I don't know when Mini Greendale was born. The new one, the one I don't really know. So yeah, I'm not sure. But so focus, you darn trashy camera. Okay, so we got a good shot. I think this is gonna be the thumbnail. Yeah, this is the thumbnail. So we have, they are right now next to each other, and the camera quality got better, thankfully. So yeah, this is it. Your number one fire alarm enthusiast signing off. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. It's outro time.
The summer's calling.